How to withdraw money from Binance to Payoneer. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how you can do it. So there is no direct way out there and you can send money our crypto from Binance to Payoneer directly. There are some scam websites out there and people are actually trying to promote this website, but it's quite risky and high risk me and up losing your capital and your money. So it's better, guys, different method like sending money from Binance to your bank account and then loading your Pioneer account from your bank account. So this is would send money from Binance to bank and then from bank to Pioneer. That would be better, guys, way for you than going this website and trying to promote scams. We will not be able to receive your money, our crypto, to Payoneer and your Payoneer account and go through these routes. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then comment, like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I hope this video helpful. Again, thanks for watching.